Hello guys, this is Masonic Storm. I'm gonna do unboxing of this Cuisinart air fryer. I bought this from Amazon. You're gonna see the link on my description below. Uh, Here's the 7 cooking functions: air fryer, bake, broil, convection, bake, and warm toast. And this is 180 watts of power. And well, check it out. Okay guys, we're gonna try this air fryer. I have this breaded chicken. All right, we're gonna cook this, and this the function of the air fryer. There's a warm, broil, toast, bake, and air fry. And okay, let's start it. So we're gonna put this breaded chicken. Okay, we're gonna set it at 400 and for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, we'll try for 20 minutes. All right, now it's working, so let's wait. We'll see. There's a light button there if you want to see if it's cooking or not. And I put it 15 minutes, but probably only 5 minutes it's going to be cooked. Okay guys, it's only 5 minutes I put, but it's about getting brown now, and we'll see if it is cooked inside. Oh yeah, it's good. It's gonna be only for 5 minutes. Cook fast, you know, if you use the air fryer. All right. Okay, the second one, I will try the egg roll, how it works. And I'm gonna set at 5 minutes, the same temperature, 400. All right, check it out. Okay, timer start for 5 minutes. Right, this is better, you know, air fryer. It doesn't need oil, unlike I'm cooking right now. This egg roll. See, you need to put an oil in it to cook it. So we'll try how it is. The egg roll here, air fryer, how long it takes to cook. But I set it like 5 minutes. As you can see, it's getting brown now on top of it. So you need to flip it. And it will stop when you open the, and flip, and another one, and gonna start again. Okay guys, now 5 minutes is done. So you see it. Oh, cooks good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe.